Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Learning how to clear your diesel particulate filter without an OBD2 tool is essential for every diesel owner. This process is called manual regeneration. It burns off the soot trapped in your exhaust system. If you ignore the warning light, your truck might go into limp mode. You can often trigger this process yourself while driving. First, make sure your engine is at full operating temperature. Check coolant and oil levels before starting. Find a highway where you can drive at a steady speed. You need to drive at least 50 miles per hour for about 20 minutes. Keep your engine speed between 2,000 and 2,500 RPM. This high heat burns the soot into ash. Do not use cruise control during this time. Stay in a lower gear if you need to keep the RPMs up. Watch your dashboard for any changes in the warning light. Some trucks have a stationary Regeneration button on the dash. If yours has this, park the vehicle in a safe, open area. Keep it away from grass or flammable materials because the exhaust gets extremely hot. Engage the parking brake and put the transmission in park. Press the button and let the engine rev up on its own. Do not touch the pedals while it runs. The process usually takes about 30 minutes to finish. Once the light turns off, the filter is clean. This simple maintenance keeps your engine running strong and saves money on repairs. Always monitor your dash for the next cleaning cycle to avoid future clogs. Performing these steps correctly will protect your engine for many years.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.